Hello, friends. Today I'm talking about a very important female hormone remedy, and that is folliculinum. Folliculinum is basically prepared from estrogen, which is the female sex hormone, and it is very important in restoring hormonal imbalance. So, it helps in regulating the menstrual cycle, also helps in improving the reproductive health. So, this remedy is very useful in cases of menstrual irregularities. If there is amenorrhea, that is absence of menses, or there is heavy bleeding, or intermenstrual bleeding is there in between the cycle, the patient is suffering from spotting, or there is PMS, premenstrual syndrome, in which there could be breast heaviness, there could be fluid retention or swelling, or there could be recurrent cystitis or urine infection, which is very common in cases of menopause. This remedy is also useful in supporting ovulation. So, in order to improve the quality of the ovum between the 10th to 14th day of the cycle, folliculinum is given, which helps in improving the quality of the ovum that is produced. It helps in regulating the production of estrogen and androgen also. Okay, and emotionally, this remedy works very nicely in cases of mood swings that has been experienced, usually in case of menopause, when sometimes the person is in high energy level and sometimes could be suffering from severe depression or apathy also. Also, there is increased sensitivity to external stimulants like noise or sound or touch. Okay, so which is very common during menopause. So, folliculinum basically is a great hormone remedy and works very nicely in cases of menstrual irregularities, infertility, and also in cases of PMS, premenstrual syndrome, also in cases of perimenopausal or menopausal women. So, stay safe, choose natural, choose homeopathy. Bye.